back to DDG. It is summertime 2025 and we have not recorded a video for YouTube in a while. So we're going to be doing one today, which is basically an RS3 conversion on a Caddy van that we are building, and it's going to make a good start at time. Come through to the workshop. Let's show you what we've got going on. First of all, behind us, we've got Joe's Caddy van, which is running the Dazzle full conversion, including the RS3 floor plan, full setup. We're at 822 horsepower at the moment, and we're aiming for more. In the next following couple of videos, I'll do this for talking about this build, that how we did everything through, the floor pan, the bulkhead, the wiring, everything that went on. But it'll be a full separate episode. Come behind me into the workshop, and we're going to go on to today's episode. Okay, welcome to the DDG Manchester headquarters workshop. We have the Caddy Mark 4 2-litre TDI DFS engine on this one, and over here the customer has also bought with the donor vehicle, which is the RS3 8E Seeper engine. So guys, what do you think of this RS3? It looks extremely clean. It looks absolutely mint to break up.
It's one of the best I've seen for sure.
Yeah, I completely agree with that. Very rest. That lovely individual fella. Abdul, gonna give you a sound check. Guys, that sounds really good. We're gonna blow it exhaust and everything in K tube, but that engine sounds absolutely mint. Over here we've got a full setup really to go into the Caddy. We've got the RS brakes and the wheels, we've got the engine, gearbox, interior, and essentially we're going to be transplanting everything from this into the Caddy and everything from the Caddy into the RS3. So we'll start this episode. We're going to be doing it side by side, and the main aim is tonight, to try and get as much of the front end transplanted over. So let's start this.
Oh, you're feeling they almost got the engine out?
Getting there. We've got a downpipe, anti-roll bar shafts to take out, and we're there. So close.
But them lot behind, aren't they? What are you thinking about that?
Yeah, we're just getting the engine out now, just the 2 engine mounts left, and that's it really.
It's just the management, they don't get the handling.
Do you guys have anything to say about that?
No point.
No point. D, have you got anything to say?
No response.
Yeah.
Apprentices are better than the head.
No, credit is due to them.
Oh, for real? Don't we got no video.
Ah, did.
Alright guys, so major update. Memory Hill have got the RS3 engine out. We also have the intercooler off, the auxiliary rad, the shafts, the engine mount, the aluminium subframe from the RS3 and the rad pack. Anti-roll bar is off as well because we still need to drop the legs, and we also still need to drop the steering rack because everything is going to go into the Caddy. So to give an update on the lads as well, they actually managed to get the engine out a couple of minutes before we did, and they still got the subframe to take off and the legs so we can transfer them over, and we're going to update you as we go by.
So we just smoked these guys taking the engine out. They're a bit salty, but it's okay. Obviously, we're the apprentices. We have done better than them. It happens, innit? Abdul, what do you think?
13 years in the field, guys, but come on, 2 years in and you're still cutting it out. 13 years in the business, still couldn't take an engine out.
As you can see, we are buzzing. We are happy with what we have done. And we ain't no normal apprentices, innit?
I'm walking down your street again, past your door. I guess you don't live there anymore. It's years since you've been there, and now you've disappeared somewhere. I got a space. Found some better praise, and I miss you.
Right, guys, me, Abdul, and Dawood here have just mounted the RS3 engine into the Caddy. Now, this is where it starts getting exciting. And what we have left now is to do the wiring, the final few touch-ups, and the front end on, and then we'll see it start.
A little bit more than that, but we're nearly there. I'm running through. Passes and mic. So, exactly as Hamdan said, smashed it. We've got the engine in, the gearbox is in. We do have a lot of wiring to do. We're going to get the front end on now. with a fuel pump to make, and then we've got a surprise Easter egg in touch for what we're going to do on the fan as well. There's still a ton of work to do. The lads have stayed late to smash this out of me. Well done to them all. Let's call it quits on that one.
Like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you, yeah. Like the deserts miss, and I miss you, and I miss you. Like the deserts miss the rain, and I miss you, yeah.
Right guys, as well as doing an RS3 Caddy swap, we have now also done the world's first diesel RS3. Out here we don't do no body kits, nothing like that. We have a real RS3 here, but inside we have a diesel. This has been done so we can get more torque out of it and get the right boost. This, as you can see, this ain't a joke. Show them about, look, it's RS3 inside and out. That's the yes.
I guess you don't live there anymore. It's years since you've been there.
When I was your age, yeah, I used to walk 5 miles just to go to school, bro.
Yeah, well, I was your age. I had to cross the fucking 70s, fight 3 tigers and 2 lions. I had to swim the 7 seas just to get
I had to fight off T-Rexes, Velociraptors.
You're old, you. You're older people alive at that time. How about you? When you were young, did you have to do anything?
What do you mean?
Like, gray hair, had to fight T-Rexes?
Nah, blast through it. I used to smash through anything.